Hi guys, my name is Valentina. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. First thing first, I just want to thank you, all of you, for all your love, support, comments on my Instagram, on here, on Musical.ly. I feel like so much love and energy from you, and I am forever grateful. So today I want to show you how I achieved this look using only HudaBeauty products. I received this beautiful beauty stuffed with lashes, liquid lipsticks, palettes. I mean, super thankful for it, because this is one of my favorite brand and probably my favorite brand. And yeah, I have been dreaming about it when I didn't have a lot of following, or I was just starting my journey into the makeup. This was my dream, to own all these HudaBeauty products. Like, I remember I wanted to try the lashes, but they were so expensive and they had to come from all the way from Dubai. But nowadays we have Huda at Sephora, so it's amazing, and you don't have to, you know, spend a lot of money in shipping. It's just like a dream come true. So not only that, but the new palette, the HudaBeauty Rose Gold palette, which I love. So there was another version of this palette, the very first version, which I don't have, but now I received the remastered. So they improved, I guess, the formula, the quality of the eyeshadows, and it's just like beautiful. It's just like amazing. I really love it. There is a variety of everything. There's matte, there's shimmering, there's dark colors, there's a little bit of like pink, red, there's everything. Like, I truly love it. You can create so many looks with this palette that it's a great investment if you're thinking that you would like to buy it. Not only that, but I really truly love also the Coral Obsession palettes. These mini palettes are just amazing. For me, these are essential colors that I would use every single day. So if you are thinking to invest some money in products, and maybe you don't want to spend, not sure how much is this one, but around 50 bucks, I guess, you can always invest in something smaller like this. This is like $28, I believe, and it's just like so worth it, because as you can see, even this one gives you, you know, the chance to try some matte colors, but also some shimmering. So you got so much in just one little palette. And if you're like me, that you love transitioning colors, this palette is for you. I also received this other palette that is called Gemstone Obsession. I didn't use it for this look, but I just wanted to show you in case you like something a little bit more, you know, shimmering, and, you know, just to be a little bit more creative. All right, so if you're interested in knowing how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, please, as usual, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time with another video. Ciao!